Hello everyone, my name is KP Kwan. Today I would like to share with you how to prepare the Malaysian style chicken satay. To begin with, you need to have some chicken meat. You can use either chicken breast meat as what I'm using, or choose chicken thigh meat if you want it to be more tender and succulent. Certainly you need to marinate the chicken before you grill the chicken. So I've divided the marinade into two sets. This is the first set. We have turmeric powder. Of course, you can use fresh turmeric if you can get it. Sugar, ground white pepper, coriander powder, fennel powder. This is cumin powder, the Indonesian style sweet soy sauce, and some salt. I'll put this aside and let's look at the remaining of the marinades. These are the remaining ingredients for the marinade, and we have to blend it before we add to the chicken. We have onion, or you can use a few shallots to substitute. Garlic, this is galangal. Belacan, which is a Malaysian style shrimp paste, and lemongrass. Cut the galangal into small pieces for easy blending. Remove the skin, which is not required. Cut the galangal into small pieces or thin slices. Because galangal is very hard and your blender may not be able to handle large pieces properly. For the lemongrass, we only use the center part, which is white in color. So we have to remove the green section, discard it, we do need that. And also cut away the section which is close to the root, we do need that too. Then remove the outer shaft. And you get the center part which is slightly off green, and that is the part we're going to use. Cut it into small sections for easy blending. Next, add all the ingredients into the food processor. And some oil for easy blending. Blend it until really smooth. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes, depends on the power of your food processor. Combine with the chicken and marinate for at least 3 hours before grilling. And if it's time permitted, it's better overnight. Put the wooden skewer in water, soak it for at least half an hour so that during grilling it will not likely to break. Pierce a few pieces of chicken meat onto the skewer and leave a little space in between. Arrange the satay on the grill pan over low heat. And grill the satays until golden brown on both sides. It is always better if you have a barbecue pit, but I find that it's equally good by using the grill pan. Be patient. It's low heat. It's beautiful. Serve along with satay sauce, some onion, cucumber, and if you want it to be more authentic, some compressed rice. Absolutely delightful. I'll share with you how to prepare the dipping sauce for this Malaysian satay in a separate video. Meanwhile, you can refer to tasteasianfood.com chicken satay for the recipe and the quantity for each ingredients. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.